It's the Hammer. He's real. Dude, take my picture. Oh no, bro.
Doesn't look good.
What's he doing? Everybody get down.
Yo, Muscle Man, when Boss found out that I gave you guys that TV and he fired me. It's cool if I crash here for a couple days. What the?